Well, hi everybody, how are you today? Sharon here from I Restore Stuff, and I'm just going to be showing you a quick and easy way of how to piece a few pieces of wood together to create a sign. So these are literally just boards of wood that I was actually using them as examples of staining and painting. This is actually Miss Mustard Seeds Milk Paint in the colour Tricycle. But I thought joining them together kind of looks pretty cute, and I could use this as a signboard or a background for a stenciled sign, because I do, as you know, I'm an ambassador for Essential Stencils. And hi Anita, how are you? So I thought this would make just a great idea for the back of a sign. Now, I've already pieced a couple together, but I just wanted to show you these fun, I guess they're called, what did I use? I've got the description in the live of what they're called, mending brackets. That's what they are. So see these little guys here? I had no idea. Life-changing. You guys, I was chopping up little pieces of wood and actually screwing them onto the back of here, which you can do that too. That's probably the cheaper way. But these are so much flatter and so much easier to just use. So I just thought I'd show you this quick and simple way to join a few pieces of wood together and create a whole sign. So see, with these three, they were actually bed slats from a single bed that we got rid of. So you never know where you will find pieces of wood that you can recycle. A lot of people ask me where I get my furniture that I recycle, or where I find pieces of wood for signboards. There are so many different places. In fact, I can pop a link in the comments later on of 10 different places that I go to find upcycle furniture or wood or things to upcycle. So I will drop that in the comments later. But right now, let's get on to this. I will just put these boards down and show you how easy it is to get these brackets together. Hi, Annetta. Okay, so here they are. They're just little pieces of metal, and these have got 4 screw holes in. I've got links for these in the description of the live, and all you need really is 2 screws, but you know, you can use all 4 if you want to, but I've screwed this one in, and it doesn't feel like it's going to move anywhere. Sometimes you'll find that boards might slide back and forth if they've just got one bracket on there, but adding a second one here and then a third and fourth, obviously, to join all of them together, super easy and simple. So we're just going to want to grab these little screws, which are they're approximately 5G. What's 5G? Is that 5 grams? 16 millimeter screws. You only need tiny ones. And I'm going to go with the 2 outside screw holes. You could go a little bit closer, but I feel like it's just a little bit close to the board. I'm just going to hold that fairly still there. And moving slowly, you could put a pilot hole in there if you feel like you needed to, but this is just pine, so it's quite soft. If you've just joined me, I'm creating a signboard really easily by joining 3 pieces of wood together. And I've literally only just discovered these wonderful brackets that you can use to do that. Hi Deborah from Brisbane. Lovely to have you here. Now guys, I'm going to be going live on Essential Stencils page in about an hour. So that's 11 o'clock Brisbane time. And I'll show you those stencils in a minute when I finish this. Making sure that you have the holes either side of your piece of wood that you're trying to join. So this one, I'll only need these 4 brackets across here. Now I could kind of, you know, if there was not enough room, if these were a bit smaller, say the join was here, you could sort of cross them over a little bit, but I can put these side by side on here. And just making sure, you could use a clamp to clamp these, you know, to make sure it's going to stay in the right place. I'm just going to wing it and hope that I'm being really sturdy. Hi Judith. Hi Tracy. Holding my boards together. Super easy to join these 3 boards together, and we're creating a sign. I'll show you the other side in a minute. And like I said earlier, these, I just had used them as sample boards. They were actually bed slats that I chopped up to create sample boards for workshops. And, you know, when I hold furniture painting workshops, not everyone wants to take their sample boards home, so I get some left behind. So I thought, let's just join those together. And there we go, look at that. So the middle one, oh no, it's actually the end one. I had intended to put the red one in the middle, but that's easily fixed. I can just unscrew them and put them back in the other way. So, but still Christmassy, isn't it? See, that's tricycle red from Miss Mustard Seeds milk paint. I could even sand that all off, make it look a little bit more rustic. And there we've got a gorgeous new sign to, or a sign board backing to be able to stencil a real easy, you know, that's pretty much square shape. You could go this way or this way. I could repaint that white. So there you go, super easy way of doing signboards. So I just thought I'd jump on quickly on my page and show you that. But here's what I'll be stenciling in just under an hour, no, actually exactly an hour's time over on the Essential Stencils Facebook page. So why don't you join me on there and let me know that you're there. But we're going to do this one, Wise Men Still Seek Him, which has also got another set on the back of it. And we're going to do, this is the 3 Nutcracker soldiers. There's 3 of them. I'm going to be painting those or stenciling those on these cute little boards that are perfect size for those. And once again, recycling boards, speaking of great ideas for boards, this was an old TV cabinet that just got ripped apart. And, you know, if you know someone who has a drop saw or something like that, easily you can make a whole bunch of signs. Or, come on girls, get your hand saw out there and you can do these things. So that's all. I just wanted to show you that really quick tip using these little brackets. Lifesaver, life-changing for your sign making. So easy fix, and you've got, I've got some Amazon affiliate links in the description of the live up there, so go click on those and you'll be able to find them very easily. There's a whole range of different ones. There's even corner brackets, you know, for picture framing and things like that. So thanks guys, and I will see you in a little while over on Essential Stencils page. Bye.